Automotive is involved in some of the best builds in Colorado. As such, we are stoked to be able to announce a weekly build series that we're going to be bringing to you via YouTube. That means tons of new awesome videos, including builds, pulls, shows, and even some crazy announcements. It's something you're not going to want to miss, so be sure to stay tuned and watch this sneak preview. So, I'm here with Morgan. We're giving this amazing little Camaro SS that they were working on a little bit of a test rip. What do you expect to see, Morgan?
I don't know what boost it's on, so
it all depends on what boost it's on. We'll see what happens. We got our lovely GoPro mounted. Should be interesting. Gap out a little bit, create some space.